Don't get in my comments acting crazy because you will catch it. Y'all, I am using, I got so many masks, but I am using the Sephora Vitamin C mask. Yeah, I love the way it smells. It has papaya. It's called the papaya vitamin mask, vitamin C. So, gotta keep it on for 5 minutes. Chickening, y'all. For dinner, I had sausage and peppers and rice. It was so good. Yeah. So. I am using some Isoplus 24-hour holding spray. I usually use some stuff at the salon, but when I came here and I brought the wig home, I completely forgot to bring home my holding spray. So I stopped at the beauty supply store and I got this. I actually like it. It's a design, shape, and amp it up. And it said flex hold, non-sticky, humidity resistant. So I was like, let me try this. And it does pretty good. So the waves are holding up pretty good. I'm going to spray it. Done. Tell me what y'all think. I gave it a little bit volume by spraying some holding spray up in the root area. Let me try it on. Y'all, this is super cute. I love the print look. It is really, really cute, y'all. The problem is when am I gonna wear this? Because this is super, super cute. And y'all, I love it. Tell me your thoughts. I love it, I love it, I love it. Look at the angle. Check, I peep the bob, look. And this would be so cute once I put my makeup and stuff on. Y'all. And it can always go a little bit bigger, of course. This is inspired by Pinterest. I found a really cute crimp style with the bangs. Cause I don't want it to look like Dora the Explorer. Anyway, But I really do like it. It's really cute, y'all. I used the mini 3-barrel curling iron, and I got this from Amazon, and I will be sure to link it, and I also will link my Amazon store. And it did such a good job. All I did was, you know, I cleaned it up, I colored it a little bit, you know, I colored it, then I went in, I straightened it, went in and put some S3 serum on it, and also used some S3 spray. And then because I ran out, I forgot to bring home my holding spray, I ended up stopping at the beauty supply store and purchasing the ISO Plus spray. So in a person, so I'll put this may be in Amazon too, but this is also in the beauty supply store, and it's called the ISO Plus 24-hour holding spray, and it's pretty good. You still have the body in it. It's not stiff or none of that. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. But anyway, y'all, so I really do like this. I think it's really cute. Actually in love with this. I actually see me wearing this because I don't do long. I could try long, but I don't do long. And I'm thinking about, I want to make a middle pop bob wig, but I think that's what I'm gonna do next. But anyway, y'all tell me your thoughts. It's okay to be honest, but don't get in my comments acting crazy, because you will catch it. Yes. Anyway, I like it. And I know y'all gonna be like, oh my God, I'm not used to seeing you with the wig. But y'all, I'm cute with the wig. What's up, y'all? What's up? So, hey, today is Friday the 23rd. I'm just getting in the house. I had to go to the grocery store and get a couple of things. I'm just gonna finish eating some oatmeal raisin cookies, and they were banging. Ain't supposed to be eating no cookies, but those I had to have. But anyway, y'all, so I'm home, and I am about to, Jackie made a big salad, so I'm about to eat a salad and a slice of pizza. But I want some egg on my salad, so I don't know if you hear, I got my egg boiling in the back. Because I want some egg on my salad. And what else? That's basically it. So I hope y'all are doing good this fine Friday. I had a short day. So, and it was an easy day too. So I'm not tired or drained or anything, which is really, really good. And I have no idea. Y'all, I just been picking up the camera. Every day I just been picking up the camera. If I just want to pick it up, I just pick up the camera. Because my birthday is coming, and I wanted to, you know, upload a lot more videos. So I was picking up the camera and just kind of ending it where I feel like it need to be ended. So like I said, today is Friday, so most likely I will end this video tomorrow. So yeah, so I'll be seeing y'all later. I'm gonna show y'all my salad and my little pizza that I'm gonna have going on, a little action got going on. Tomorrow's actually going to be an easy day as well. I just have a large braid that don't take long at all. My eggs acting up.
So close. Because right now is not the right time for me to invest into the camera, especially.
Y'all, OMG, I am so sorry. I don't know why I didn't end this video, but I wanted to tell you all, thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget the video a thumbs up, turn your notification bells on, so that way you know I dropped the video. Again, I'm not sure what happened at the end of this video, but I hope you all enjoyed so far. I know it was only 9 minutes, but hopefully you enjoyed or took something from it. Thank you for watching. Bye, y'all.